I always feel panicked in this because normally we've got like an hour and a half to fly.
What's this you're flying, John?
This is my Bristol.
Bristol, right?
Yeah. Post-war livery. Flew in India, I believe.
Looks beautiful.
And it hasn't been flown for about a year and a half, so...
All right. Okay.
Oh, and there you go.
You were having too much fun, John.
I know.
So while you're holding it and making some adjustments, this is one of many Microaces kits, right?
Yes, yes. This is actually I think this is our third design.
Third, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a few years old now. Although this particular livery is a little more recent, but it's one of the I think it's the largest aircraft that we do wingspan wise, very slow, gentle flyer, but with a little bit of manoeuvrability, just like the real aircraft had.
And just for those who aren't familiar with the brand, the basic concept is that the kit is completely flat pack, isn't it?
It comes as almost like a card model, but the card is a lightweight foam, and it's printed directly onto the foam. All the parts are laser cut out, and you essentially put it together a bit like a cross between an Airfix kit and a card fold model.
Yep.
But it comes out very light. This particular aircraft comes in at about 50-55 grams all up flying weight, which is one of the heaviest that we do. You put the electronics in,
which you sell as well.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Put it together and then take it flying.
Brilliant. Okay.
And the great thing is obviously that all the kits are under the new regulation 250 grams.
Yes.
So it can obviously be flown indoors, but can be flown outdoors in parks and places like that.
In light all zero wind, right?
Yeah.
I've done that. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
So where should somebody go if they're interested in buying the kit then?
It's fairly easy. It's microaces.com.
Fine. John, thanks for the demo.
Pleasure.